Every year, gigantic stalls are lining up in the city of San Fernando to celebrate Christmas with its people. They do this and this. Every year, for more than 100 years, people in San Fernando are creating giant lanterns to celebrate Christmas big time. I am extremely fortunate to witness the giant lanterns of San Fernando last year with my colleagues in the office. It was a very spectacular event. Welcome to Pinoy Mandala. Today I will share with you this little mandala drawing inspired by the giant lanterns of San Fernando. Please watch until the end because I edited this work to mimic the light effects of the giant lanterns, of course, with some Christmas music in the background. There you go! If you can treat yourself to a spectacular show, that is the Giant Lantern Festival of San Fernando City in Pampanga. For now, continue to support Pinoy Mandala for more art and mandala ideas. Salamat!